Oh, hey, hi. I'm J.Lynn Johnston. It's April 1st, you April Fools. And you know what that means? That means it's the start of VEDA. V-E-D-A, vlogging every day in April. That's right, it is the month where every one of us that video blogs gets up off of our asses and actually tries to do something every day. I, as you can see, have helmet head. I'm all bundled up. I just stopped on the ride home from Los Angeles back to the Central Coast. This is Santa Barbara. Look at that down there. It's all purdy and stuff. Once the sun fades away, it's gonna get quite a bit colder though, so I wanted to layer up before I was freezing. That way I can just maintain the warmth that I have instead of trying to get it back once I'm already chattering my teeth away. Right? Right. I'm on the trusty old KLR 650. State Route 154 right here. Actually goes from 101 to 101. It just kind of cuts up over the mountains. It's a lot of fun. Anyway, I had a fantastic weekend in Los Angeles. Buddy's birthday party happened and it was great. Austin turned 30. A lot of fantastic musicians in that group of friends, and there was a stage set up in the backyard, and we all just played music and had bacon wrapped hot dogs and loved all over each other. It was awesome. Great time. So now I'm on my way back and I'm going to my brother-in-law's birthday dinner. His birthday was last week. So gonna go have some dinner, meet the family. So went from friends to family. That's what we do. It's been pretty windy on this ride so far, actually coming up through Santa Barbara. I mean, through Ventura, little further south of Santa Barbara, over that yonder. Man, I was blown all over the road. And it was actually the first time this tank bag ever almost blew off of the bike. As you can see, it's magnetically mounted here on these little tabs. And the magnets blew off, and it was a good thing there was this panic strap right there holding it all on. Because, man, the wind caught it like a sail. And if it hadn't been for that mechanical failsafe, thing would have just blown right off on the 101 freeway. So anyway, like I said, welcome to VEDA. I'm gonna be doing these every day. Feel free to subscribe if you feel like watching me ramble all the time. I'm playing with my GoPro Hero on this time. And I think what I'm gonna do is sign off now, but leave it running. And if you guys feel like watching, you can watch the rest of my ride home. Or at least until the memory card on this thing fills up. So let's see, how am I gonna do this? I'm gonna put it back on this mountie spot. Canadian Royal mountie spot. There we go, now it's on the helmet. Now the helmet's up, now I get to put the helmet on. All right. This is the first time I've tried to transition from vlogger to motorcyclist. So this should be fun. If I can get the dang buckle on my chin strap right. Okay. Important things to remember when you've got the video rolling and you're gonna post it on the internet. Make sure you don't break any laws, because this is publicly posted. Right, guys? Alright. On, I'm in neutral.